Hi, this is Scott here with Abundance Coaching, where we coach you to live with passion and have abundance in life. I'm excited to share with you an opportunity today to join my private Action and Accountability and Wins Facebook group. How cool is that? So this Action, Accountability, Wins / Encouragement Facebook group is completely free to you, and I'll share with you why it's free. You see, as a coach, over the last 5 years, I've had the incredible opportunity to help people break through their biggest challenges. And those challenges could be areas of finance, debt, relationship, marriage, finding new careers, finding ways to get past anxiety, fear, stress, doubt, and essentially breaking through those biggest challenges so that they can then find who they really are inside and what their authentic, amazing self really is, and then fully live their life purpose. And not just live it, but have passion and abundance at the same time. And through the course of my coaching, I've been just so overwhelmed by the testimonies of transformation and breakthrough that people have just had, and how they're now stepping into what their passions are and their purpose is, that I've decided to take it one next step and say, okay, well, not everybody can coach with me one-on-one, but you know what? There's an opportunity for people to see how they could benefit from being coached by me one-on-one, and take both of those things together and meld them into an Action and Accountability and Wins Facebook group. And I put it out there so it's a free thing for you and you can join it. So here's how it works. Essentially, I believe that without accountability, your dreams are just a wish. And without being clear on what your goals really are, there's really zero to limited amount of a chance that you're going to really succeed at achieving them. And over the course of my life, I've had incredible mentors and coaches back me and support me, and people that are in my corner even to this day that push me forward and ask me to do things that are beyond my comfort zone. And because of that, I've been able to achieve a lot and also really find what my sweet spot is, and then authentically live in it every single day of my life. So what I want to do is I want to share with you my secrets on this Facebook group as we go along, and I'll share with you different videos and strategies and coaching tips and things that really help me. But I also want you to be able to be part of this group so that you can have accountability in your own personal journey and your own personal action steps, and then we'll also encourage you. Now, it's not just me that's going to be part of this encouragement process and accountability process. You're going to be in great company, because the people that are going to join this group are going to be people that are interested in passion, people that are interested in abundance, people that are interested in living their life purpose to the fullest, people that are interested in just breaking through and just living that next level in their life. So if that sounds like it's something that you're interested in, that you want one of those things, then I encourage you to click the link below, and then you'll be invited to enter into the Life Purpose and Abundance Action, Accountability and Wins Facebook group. Cool, eh? Hey, I've had the incredible privilege of being coached by some of the best performance coaches really in the world, and one of the things that I've been blessed through that process is just with how they've coached me to rise above and just live in my best self. And people like Ted McGrath and Jeremy Miller, Andrew Lee, these people have really just encouraged me, came behind me, and coached me through some of the biggest challenges of my life, and then also to reach the higher levels of my potential. And by being coached by some of these people, I've learned so much along the way. And also through my experience coaching hundreds and hundreds of coaching hours with clients one-on-one, I've been able to tap into some of the proven strategies and secrets that really help people live with more passion, have more abundance in life. And I really want to just share those secrets and those strategies with you. So whether or not we ever do coaching together, I invite you to join this private Facebook group, and I invite you to come in, say hi, I invite you to say hi and just greet yourself, tell us what you're about, tell us what your dreams are, and then we'll stand behind you, guide you, encourage you along the way. So all you need to do is press that link below, and I'll see you on the other side. Until we chat again, my name is Scott with Abundance Coaching. Live with passion and have abundance in life.